Hey guys, in this video we'll be discussing about the app section available in the dashboard from here. In here, all the apps. Here you can have an overlook of how the apps are working around in your agency. So you can have an overlook of how unique apps are being installed, the total installed apps across the sub accounts or locations, and the app traffic going around. This is the graph of the traffic as well. The total used apps on the top. And these are the requests made by these apps as well. The top selling apps, here's Zillow, and number of installed apps as well. So these are the recommended apps by all the apps, as you can see, till the bottom. Thank you so much.